Alright, so I have this Craftsman toolbox emptied. But I have that problem. It is not smooth. Well, I gotta get a box. It's not smooth. I mean, these drawers are like wonky as hell. Especially this bottom one's like it's about to fall apart there. So I'm gonna figure out how this tab works on here. I think you just need to poke it in and this it'll slide out. So I have no idea. So I'm gonna try hitting it with a punch. See if that lets it come free. And then I want to get into the inner track and put more screws on it, something. Make it so it doesn't wobble around. You see this track here? That's the problem. So the problem's down in here. So let me shut you up. Okay, news. Don't have to hit it that hard. Voila. For crying out loud. Alright, let's take a look. Cheap as hell. That's a problem. So, I think option number one is to this tab here, and this tab here, and there's two more on the top side that I could just take and hit with a punch, doink, that would tighten that gap up. Dang it. Let me pontificate. Alright, it's the next day. I've done my pontification. It's a fancy word for I looked on YouTube to see what other people have done. And nobody addresses this issue. All the videos I find on YouTube are like, oh, put some oil on it. Or, well, what they did show me was the right way to remove the drawer. The way I did it by poking the punch through there and bending the drawer tab in is not the right way to do it. The right way to do it is to slide a hacksaw blade in here, and then you can slide past it. And you don't end up bending your drawers, which I did. So, I am working on devising a way of tightening those up, and I think, they gotta be able to slide. So I just want to tighten them up a little bit, okay? I want to tighten them up. I want to take this piece of metal right here, and I'm going to pinch it together. So that'll take care of the up and down issue. Then on the front, I'm going to do that. There's two of them. I'm going to do that to both of them. And then on the front one here, I'm going to take my punch and pound it in, boop, that way, to get rid of some of this sideways play, okay? There's got to be some. It has to be able to slide, all right? All right. That seems acceptable. Oh yeah. That compared to this. Yeah, it still slides. A little bit of oil. Pretty good. Now we do have this motion here. This one I was just going to try. I think that's acceptable. This, however, is not. That'll work fine. That'll be alright. Alright. To the drawer. So what I did here was I bent these tabs. Now I have to undo my stupidity. So just gonna take a needle nose here. See if I can just go in here. Bring that tab a little bit. Okay. Drawer. Well, it's a lot better than it was. Still a little stiff. Well, they're a little sticky. I'm okay with it. That's where I'm leaving it. Yeah. Next thing to do is, this is going to be all sockets. Sockets and wrenches. Sockets and socket extensions and ratchet wrenches. So. Alright, so that is how I fixed my Craftsman El Cheapo toolbox. Alright, so I'm going to wrap up the video here. Thanks for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe, ring the bell, make a comment. This worked out really well. I'm very pleased with how the drawers open and close now. Have a good day. Bye-bye.